Hello internet world, welcome to a Mega Gadget Collection. These are the videos where I show you a whole range of technology and gadgets in the one video so that you can make an informed buying decision. All of these products has been sent in free of charge by their respective manufacturers. No money's exchanged hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. Just going to share with you my opinion of using these products over the past few weeks. So let's get on with the Mega Gadget Collection. This is the Spedal Multifunctional Radar Detector and Dashcam. The model number is the VP668T and it records in up to Full HD, or actually over Full HD at 1296p. We've got some really good features built into this product, including radar signal detection, laser signal detection, GPS data alarm, and it of course functions as a dash cam. On this side here, it just shows you a diagram of where you can best mount the camera. And on the back we've got some of the main specs, including a 3-inch full display on the back. It's an IPS LCD screen. We've also got an aperture of f1.8 and it records in either 1296p as the max resolution or 1080p or 720p as options as well. The field of view is 140 degrees from that lens and it supports up to 128 gigabytes of memory via a micro SD card. Inside the box we get a quick start guide. We also get a cable for powering the unit, full-size USB on one end, mini USB on the other end. We also get another cable here. This is of course to use with your 12-volt accessory socket on your vehicle. So this plugs into your vehicle's power and then this end goes into the dash cam or radar detector itself. And then we've got some mounting options. So we've got this one here which comes with a sticky pad. So this is going to stick to your windscreen or your dashboard, for example, and in turn it goes onto this mount here, and then in turn this mount will actually work with the ball mount that's already inside this one and attached to the camera. The second mounting option is the one I just showed you. This attaches to the camera, and then we've got the option of a suction mount, so this can go onto your windscreen. It creates a nice firm grip. And then we've got this bit here which we can loosen off, and of course with the ball joint you can angle the camera to your desired sort of viewing angle. And then this is the camera itself, and it really is a very high-end camera. We've got the feature on the front here, the 1296p resolution, which I'll talk to you about in a short while. Really good lens with a nice wide angle field of view. Mounting option across the top there that works with the two mounts I showed you earlier. We've got the input for the USB. On the side here we've got the memory card socket, and if we just release this you will see it comes supplied with a 32 gigabyte card, so really nice that we get a memory card included. Across the bottom we just got a few little details about the product. We've also got an AV in on the side, and then across the back we've got that nice large screen. We've got some controls for the menu system, power on and off, OK button, and just a really easy way to interact with the device. Now this is a really great device because not only does it give you some speed camera detection so you can drive safely, it also acts as a dash cam, so it will capture footage out your front windscreen. So if you were unfortunately involved in a RTA or were witness to something, you would have some video footage that could possibly be used in evidence. So really nice that you can capture really good quality footage, and when it comes to video footage the quality is superb. Really nice and crisp, good colour rendition. You can easily read number plates back from the footage that's being captured. It degrades a little bit at night time, but you've still got good nighttime vision in here as well. It is an absolutely fantastic device. This is from Spedal and it comes highly recommended. This is the Spedal Stream Webcam, model number MF920P. We've got some features listed on the front here, including the fact that it's got dual mics, it's plug and play and can of course be used as a conference camera. Also it says here, automatic light correction. So it does some sort of correction depending upon the ambient light in your room. On the side here we just got some details about the box contents. On the back here we got some of the specifications, and on this side here we've got some of the potential uses for this webcam as well. Also inside the box we do get an instruction guide. We also get some details about the special or the Spedal webcam app. We've got within the app filters, brightness, contrast, hue, saturation and opacity. We've got a crop function. We've got multiple scenes available, rotate and flip, and also a virtual camera if you're using this with other software. And this is what the actual webcam looks like. It's a full HD webcam. It's got a nice mount on the bottom here. This of course can attach to the back of your monitor, sort of just hooked over the back, or indeed you can use it with the threaded mount here, so you can mount it to perhaps a desktop tripod, for example. Integrated cable, terminated in USB. It's a captive cable, it can't be removed, but it is a decent length cable. And we've also got not only an autofocus on here, but also a manual focus, so you can manually focus this web camera. It's a really great design, fuss-free, plug and play, and it produces really good quality full HD footage. If you're looking for something that's nice and affordable, it's definitely worth checking out the Spedal MF920P. This is the iFMARS Magic Cable. Before you think, well, a cable's a cable, this is really quite special. It's got some really good tech inside and it is super useful. So this is a 6.6 foot or 2 meter cable. It's braided and it supports up to 100 watt multi-charging. That is a really great feature. There's different models available with this, with a variety of different cable connectors on the end, and it distributes the power between the connectors. On the back here we've got this particular model number. I'll show you the connectors in a short while, but you can charge your laptop and smart devices all at the same time. One cable is capable of charging more than one device. It's universally compatible and it is a really simple device, but very useful. Inside we do get a little tiny instruction manual. It's going to guide you through using the cable, charging your devices, and also some specifications as well. And as you see here, it will actually handle up to 100 watt max, and the output for the USB-C is up to 100 watt max as well. Output 2 drops down to 20 watt max, and then we've also got some additional USB-C in different versions. You might have a micro USB and that supports up to 12 watt as well. So really decent specifications, and this is what the cable looks like. It's a nice braided cable, really good length, the fact that this is 2 meters long. And then on one end here you can see we've got USB-C. So this is what's going to go into your wall charger. Then we've got this sort of distribution portion of the cable here. So this is where the single end goes in, and it splits out into 3 separate connectors. Now this particular version I've got here has got 3 different connectors on. Now the one on the left here, this one here, is 20 watts, and on my particular version that's a lightning connector for iOS devices. Then we've got 2 USB-Cs. This one here is a 12 watt USB-C capable connector, and then the one on the end will take advantage of the full 100 watts, assuming you plug it into a suitable USB power brick. But this is a very useful cable, and as I mentioned earlier, there are different variations of this cable available. It's just so convenient having this all in one, and I think iFMARS have done a fantastic job with the Magic Cable. It is just so cool. Highly recommended product and well worth checking out. This is the Spedal Stream Webcam model number MF934H. This is a plug and play webcam suitable for video conferencing. Maybe you're doing some streaming of some gameplay and you want some face cam footage in there. It's got dual mics and it also has a really good exposure system in here, so it reacts really well to external lighting sources. This is the product box. On the side here we've got QR code and also the package contents. On the back here we've got some specs and some requirements, and then also on the side here we've got some use case scenarios. Nice product box. Inside we get a quick start guide. This is going to get you up and running with the webcam. We also get some details about the Spedal Webcam app and the various features that the app offers you. Really nice little sort of cheat card there, how to download the software and activate all the functions. And then of course we get the webcam itself, and it's a really nice webcam. This is a high frame rate 1080p 60 frames per second web camera. It's got a captive cable on the back, nice long USB cable, terminates in standard USB, and then we've got this really nice sort of swivel base which allows you to get a really good position on the camera. This opens up and we got various bits that sort of open up on the base so that you can put this over the back of your monitor and it will stay in position really nicely. But you can also use the threaded mounts. You can mount this to maybe a boom arm, for example, or a desktop tripod or some sort of other sort of mounting system. Really nice that we've got this threaded mount. Now, not only have we got autofocus, we've also got manual focus and some really good pickups in the microphones. Normally, webcams, the microphones aren't that good. On this, they are pretty decent, so it's quite a decent camera to use sort of standalone without an external mic. The actual video footage with that high frame rate, 1080p 60 frames per second, is really smooth and really detailed. It needs a fair amount of light thrown at the subject matter, so I would suggest using a video light if you were using this webcam, but overall it's a really good solid performance and very, very keenly priced. This is the Spedal MF934H. These are the Soundpeats Mini Pro in-ear earphones. They come supplied in this nice little presentation box. Really nice graphic on the front here as well. On the side here it says wireless earbuds. Also the fact they use Bluetooth version 5.2 and they've got aptX technology inside as well. Playtime is around about 7 hours from a single charge, up to 21 hours if you combine that with the battery that's inside the case. 300 mAh battery, and round on the back here another picture of the earphones. Hybrid active noise cancelling inside. Really nice presentation. We've got inside the box an instruction manual, so this user guide is going to guide you through getting a good fit in the ear, using them with your smartphone and all of the various functions. These are touch sensitive on the side of the earphones, and depending upon how you interact with them gets you access to the different functions that are built in. We've also got a charging cable, full-size USB on one end, USB-C on the other end. So this end is going to go into your own charger, and this end here is going to go into the earbuds. And then apart from the set of silicone ear tips that's already pre-installed, we do get 2 additional pairs. So we get 3 different sizes to ensure that perfect fit. And then of course we get the earphones themselves. Really nice compact case, USB-C on the back for charging. We've got some LED feedback here, nice sort of rim to the case. Very, very nicely positioned in the case as well. And when you put them in, they sort of magnetically pull into the case. We get this LED light come up on the front. We also get some charging status actually on the earbuds themselves, as you can see there. So let's take a closer look at the earbuds themselves. A really nice compact design. Very, very nice indeed. We've got the touch sensitive controls on the front surface here, and then primarily a matte finish, but we've also got some gloss around that centre portion. And then we've got the silicone ear tip just here and the connectors that line up with the connections on the actual charging case. A very comfortable fit, exceptionally comfortable, and thanks to their small size and lightweight nature, they stay put. If you do use the right size silicone ear tip, these are super comfortable and they really do stay put when they're in the ear, and they sound absolutely superb as well. We've got a really good bass extension on these, nice bass frequency. Not the deepest or lowest bass frequency I've heard, but certainly low enough, and it's very well controlled bass as well. If you're listening to vocals, they sound very natural. A little bit of a warm, sort of lively characteristic to the audio. Nice sort of upbeat feel to these, and the actual intricacies and details in the higher frequencies are exceptional for an earbud of this size. Very, very impressive indeed. So not only are they comfortable, they sound great, they've got really good battery life, and they come in a really compelling package. The fact that you can pop these in, if I get them the right way round, which way round do they go? That way round. Get them the right way round, they are absolutely superb. They charge nice and easily, a really nice compact case, and a really good offering from Soundpeats here. These are the Soundpeats Mini Pro. They really do punch far above their asking price and definitely go on my recommended list. This is the Brigii M2. It's a cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, but it's a 3-in-1 product. So not only can you use it as a handheld vacuum, but you can also use it as an air duster or a hand pump. It comes supplied in this really nice box. On one end of the box we have got some accessories listed. We've also got on the back here some of the features, that hand pump feature I talked to you about, the air duster, and also the handheld vacuum. Now I've been using it primarily as a handheld vacuum to keep my sort of work area nice and dust free. I'm going to give you a demonstration of this during the video. Now inside the box we get a little instruction manual or user guide. We also get a thank you with some warranty information, and then we also get some sort of visual or illustrative guide about the actual vacuum cleaner and the additional accessories. So the additional accessories, first of all, we've got this sort of blow nozzle. This is what you're going to use for if you're perhaps inflating a guest bed, for example, an inflatable bed, or if you're using it as an air duster. We've also got some additional pieces here. This bit here, this sort of rubberized piece, is actually a hand pump tool. So this is what you're going to use to get a really good sort of seal over something that you're sort of pumping up. So that's a really nice additional piece. We've also got some additional sort of vacuuming pieces here to get into crevices. This one here, which really sort of concentrates the airflow. And then we've also got this flexible pipe to get into hard to reach places. We've got the main one that I've been using a lot, which is this sort of crevice tool, but you can also move the brush down into position to use the brush part of the tool. And then we also get a nice sort of carry pouch to carry everything in, and we also get a good charging cable, which is full-size USB on one end and then USB-C on the opposing end. So this would go into your wall charger. You don't get a charger supplied inside the box. This would go into your own wall charger, and then this end here goes into the M2 vacuum. And then this is the actual product. Just how cool is this? We've got a turning portion on the top. You can see the little illustration here. This is used to get into the vacuum for emptying it. We've got the portion here, this sort of slot where we put all of the tools. On here we've got some filter system on the back. We've got some warning stickers. I've left these on purpose, but this is just telling you about to use the right charger. So this is the USB port for charging. And when you're charging, a red light comes up around the power button. And then it's also a multifunction power button here. So it says here, charge fully before use, press and hold the button on, and then press it again to turn it off. So it's a press and hold to turn on, and then just a press to turn off. Now I'm going to put this particular tool in. So this is just sort of my main tool of choice that I've been using. And let's say I've been doing some craft work on my desk and I've got some dust and some paperwork spilt on the desk. This is so easy to clean up with the Brigii M2. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to turn on by pressing and holding. And the dust is gone. How easy is that? And it is a really powerful suction power on this for such a small and manageable unit. It's really easy to use because it's handheld, just with one hand, nice and easy to charge, really easy to empty as well. And there were some quite large bits of paper there just for dusting, which is what I'm going to use it for, just for keeping my area sort of dust free. This is ideal because I can pull this brush down. It's nice and soft on the desk that I'm using, and I can dust my shelves with it. I can keep my desk really nice and clean, all the area around my desk, behind my monitor for example, and really keep that dust down, because a dust-free environment is a lot healthier. This is a great little vacuum cleaner. This is the Brigii M2. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know which one of these products from the Mega Gadget Collection is your favourite in the comments section below. And if you want to pick up any of these for yourself, then please do check out the links down in the video description area. I want to thank you all for watching. Please do subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, and I'll see you in another video very soon.